This is an event that is catering to the healthcare event segment like no other. To sum it up, together healthcare compliant venues with event organisers who are booking pharmaceutical and healthcare events. Not only are our suppliers assessed for their compliance, but each salesperson is trained in the needs and requirements of the healthcare sector. As usual, at the core of the event are the pre-scheduled business meetings. However, in addition to these, we also have an educational programme comprised of workshops and keynote sessions led by industry figureheads and experts. You'll not only leave with a host of new business leads, but also insights into the future of the industry. Next year, we're taking delegates to Gothenburg, Sweden, a modern destination and no stranger to holding healthcare conferences. The forum is taking place at Scandic Gothenburg Central from the 29th of June to the 2nd of July. Scandic is a great MICE property with lots of flexible meeting room space and a really convenient location. Perfect for buyers looking for a healthcare compliant property. If you're looking to grow your healthcare events business, this is the forum for you. I look forward to seeing you there.